Meta Smart Glasses firmware update failed. Fix. Step 1. Ensure strong Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. A stable connection is paramount. Make sure your phone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and that its Bluetooth connection to your Meta Smart Glasses is active and stable. Step 2. Fully charge glasses and phone. A common cause for failed updates is insufficient battery. Ensure your Meta Smart glasses are in their charging case and both devices, glasses and phone, are fully charged before retrying the update. Step 3. Restart both your phone and glasses. A simple restart can often clear temporary glitches. Restart your smartphone and then force restart your glasses by holding the capture button for about 12 seconds until the indicator light flashes amber. Step 4. Clear Meta View app cache and data. Corrupted app data can sometimes interfere with the update process. Go to your phone's app settings, find the Meta View app, and clear both its cache and data. You may need to log in back in the app afterward.